Introducing our breakfast combo set menu of plain toast, bacon-wrapped Vienna sausages, and sunny-side-up eggs. The ingredients are 2 slices of bread, 4 Vienna sausages, 2 strips of bacon cut into half, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon water, dash of salt and pepper. For bacon-wrapped Vienna sausages, wrap the Vienna sausages in the cut bacon strips and secure it with a toothpick. Place 2 in each aluminum foil baking cup. For sunny-side-up eggs, coat 2 aluminum foil baking cups with a thin layer of oil. Crack the eggs gently and put 1 each on the baking cups. Add a dash of salt and pepper and sprinkle with a little water. Fill the microwave oven water tank to the fullest. Arrange the 2 slices of bread, bacon-wrapped Vienna sausages, and sunny-side-up eggs vertically at the center of the metal tray. Insert the metal tray into the top rack. Press superheated steam. Grill 15 to 19 minutes button to start cooking.